and this video will walk you through the process of purchasing a replacement for your existing HVAC equipment. Here are a few clear signs it's time to replace your old unit. When your home is no longer comfortable in the summer or winter, the AC runs too often, or the house warms up between cycles, or the opposite during the heating season, your energy bills keep going up year after year, and there are unusual noises and/or vibrations. Repairs and service calls are too frequent, or is it more than 15 years old? Air conditioners and furnaces do wear out over time, and replacing your old equipment can save you from wasting money on another repair or on high energy bills. The first step is to determine what you have now so you can start building your shopping list. What kind of house do you live in? Is it a mobile or manufactured home, or is it a more traditional house? These systems are specific to the type of home and are not interchangeable. What type of system do you have? Is it a traditional split system with a furnace inside and air conditioner condenser outside? Or an all-in-one packaged unit that sits outside on a pad or on your roof? Where is your furnace? Is it in the basement, attic, or closet? This will give you a good idea of the furnace's flow direction. Upflow for basement or horizontal flow for attic. Closets are a little trickier because they can indicate upflow or downflow depending on the location of your room air vents. But generally, ceiling vents indicate upflow and floor vents indicate downflow. If you determine that you have a package system, most units are multi-positional and can be installed a variety of ways. What kind of fuel does your furnace use? Gas or all electric? If you have gas service, this is generally the most cost-effective system. But if you're limited to only using electric heat strips in your furnace, you should definitely consider a heat pump system, especially if you require heating for more than 2 weeks out of the year. Heat pumps use significantly less electricity to run than electric heat strips alone. Next, what kind of round pipe is attached to the top of the furnace? Is it metal or plastic? This will tell us the efficiency type of the furnace. A round metal exhaust pipe, called a flue pipe, indicates an 80% efficient or less furnace, while a round plastic flue pipe will indicate a 92% or higher efficient furnace. While you can upgrade to a higher efficiency furnace, it is critical to have a professional HVAC tech install the system so the correct flue type is installed. The wrong type could result in a severely damaged furnace or even death from carbon monoxide poisoning. Remember, carbon monoxide is colorless, odorless gas that will kill. Do not attempt to install your furnace yourself. Next, locate the model number on your furnace and the outside unit if you have one. On the furnace, the model number is most likely inside the burner compartment on the left or right side, or the top inside cover itself. On the outdoor compressor, it's located on the side of the unit. If it's a package system, the model number will be on the side. As an example, this system in a traditional home is a split furnace AC system. It is located in the basement, so it's upflow, and it runs on gas. And because it has a round plastic flue pipe, it's a 92% efficient furnace. This is also a good time to take your old unit's efficiency into consideration, especially if it was older than 15 years. The good news is that most modern furnaces and air conditioners will be more efficient than your old ones, but it is important to understand the relationship between geography and efficiency. For example, if you live in a warm climate and your electric bills are steadily on the rise, it's best that you consider a high-efficiency air conditioner. On the other hand, if you live in the northern part of the country, you don't need a highly efficient air conditioner, but rather a more efficient furnace instead. In our example system, you will still look for the same size specs, but you might opt for a 2-stage 97% efficient furnace with a variable speed blower and a 16-SEER air conditioner to gain advantage of a more efficient system. The new system will perform better than the old one and be more efficient and less expensive to operate. Now that you have your list, you're set. Be sure to view our other videos in the HVACdirect.com Getting Started series to better understand our sizing guide, efficiency ratings, and how to shop our website. If you need any further assistance or have additional questions, please give us a call, send us an email, or chat with us online.